Okay, we're looking at question 4.1F. It says a person jumps out of with a mass of 75 kilograms, jumps off a building to avoid a fire, and the building itself has a height of your code. Now I'm just going to go with 5. So he has air resistance of 85 newtons, pushing him up, and that's his weight. This is determine the speed just before he lands, so we need to figure out what VF is equal to, VFY. Now, we're missing, so we do the force diagrams, we got the motion diagram here, and now I'm going to do the force equations because I need acceleration here. I need an A net because we can't use AY is equal to negative 10 because this force of resistance is going to reduce gravity. It's like a net, the net acceleration is going to be reduced due to this force of resistance. So normally we should do this problem, gravity or acceleration, AY used to be negative 10 or negative 9.8. Now with this, the number is going to be around negative 8 something because, well, the net acceleration will be around negative 8 something. So let's solve for that first. Now we have F net Y is equal to FG plus FR. Now, let me change this. I want you to figure out the net acceleration. FG is going to be m little g, and that's just going to be 85. So the mass is 75, times that by negative 9.8. And this is 75 A net. So A net is equal to, so let's do 75 times negative 9.8 plus 85. Then we divide that by 75. That gives us an acceleration of negative 8.6 repeating. So that's going to be the net acceleration as the object falls. So that'll go up here now. A now is equal to negative 8.6 repeating. So now let's solve the problem. Let's solve for VF. Step 1, VFY. Step 2, my givens are VIY, DY, AY. 3, I'll use VFY squared is equal to VIY squared plus 2 times AY times DY. Step 4, VFY is equal to the square root of, that's 0, 2 times negative 8.6 repeating times negative 5 for me. So we get 2 times negative 8.67, we'll do that 7 times that by negative 5. Get the square root of that. We get about 9.3. So that answer would be negative 9.3 would be the velocity. But because the homework asks you for the speed, so it's asking in the end, when you go to enter this into your homework, it's going to be positive 9.3, but the velocity is negative 9.3.